Good afternoon, Code Simplifier tribes. Behzad is here with another video for beginner programmers. Today's video is going to be short and brief. In our last video, we managed to connect the tables together with correct relationship. And today, we want to forward engineer our work and convert it into a script. Enough talk, let's get it started. Here is where we left last time. We have our tables and relationships. And from now on, we call our tables modules. In a tab bar, click on a database, the fourth item from the left. Scroll down, and as you see here, the forward engineering. Click on it. Click on next. And in this section, in the code generation, make sure you have drop objects, generate drop schema, and include module attached, ticked off. Then click next, and here is where you have to enter the password you created from day one, and make sure you have this checkbox ticked. Click next. Here is the code scripted from the SQL, so copy to clipboard, and I will explain to you what are they later on. Click on next. Wait for everything has been successfully created. Once everything is finished, you have to receive this message which it says forward engineer finished successfully. Click on close. Now go to your home page, home icon on the top left corner here. Click on home. In MySQL connection section, click on local instance. Click on it and enter your password one more time. Once we entered our password, a new window like what you see here will be open for us. And here is where we want to paste our clipboard script, which in the last step we copied to our clipboard. Click in a page right here and Control V to paste our scripted, which has been generated by MySQL, into our work area. What you see here is what SQL got out from our modules or tables and converted into a script. It may sound a lot and confusing for now, but do not worry. We will learn how to read and modify our scripts by end of this video series. As I mentioned earlier in the video, that is going to be a short and brief video. So we will stop the video here because we want to take one step at a time to avoid any confusion. We will keep going on our work next week on the script, and I'll explain them all to you so you understand them as well. As per usual, if you have any question or any section of this video wasn't clear, please comment it below and I will respond to it as quick as I can. Thanks for your time, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all next week.